Hello traders, you're welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be looking at the inside bar breakout strategy. Okay, it's an effective strategy, although it does not guarantee profit. Like every other strategy out there, it is not foolproof. Okay, now if you are looking for a strategy that can help you to refine your trading skills and improve your market analysis, the inside bar breakout strategy might be one to find appealing. So you're not going to want to miss this. All right. Now, firstly, let us break down what an inside bar actually is. An inside bar forms when the current candles high and low are completely within the previous candles range. Okay. So we can see that this is not exactly an inside bar. Let us just toggle through different time frames to see if we're going to find an inside bar. Okay, we're not exactly finding one. Okay. All right, now what we're going to do now is let's just use the previous candle because I can see that the inside bar formed here. Okay, so because how you know that is when you have the high of the candle lower than the previous candle's high. You can see this current candle's high is 2770.24, while the previous candle's own is 2770.49, meaning that this candle's high is lower. And obviously the candle's low is higher than this one's. Okay, so we have an inside bar formation around here, right? Now when you have identified this pattern, you should know that this pattern signifies a period of consolidation, and market indecision. Okay, and it can often lead to powerful breakouts in either directions. So now once you have spotted the inside bars on your chart, especially after a strong trend, we can see that we had a strong trend around here, right? You can see, and especially this move, you can see that there was a strong bullish move just right before the inside bar formed. So one thing to note is that inside bars usually form after a strong trend, okay? And sometimes, you can find them around support or resistance zones, okay? So once you have identified an inside bar, all you need to do, you have to mark the high of the inside bar and the low as well. Okay, once you have marked the high and the low, then you have to be looking out for a breakout because the breakout is what we use to enter a trade. Okay, the breakout is what we're going to use to enter the trade, right? Now, this strategy can be applied across various time frames. So whether you are a day trader or a swing trader, inside bars can be your best friend. However, I recommend starting on the 1 hour to 4 hour charts, okay? Minimum of 1 hour charts to spot reliable setups, okay? Because when you are trading on the smaller time frames, you're going to find a lot of noise, a lot of price movement. So I think it's better you just stick to the 1 hour chart or higher time frames, okay, so that you can get more reliable setups, right? Now, remember also that you shouldn't limit yourself to just one currency pair. So try to experiment with different pairs, so you can see where this strategy works best for you. Now, how to use this strategy is very easy, right? After you have identified the high and the low of the current candle, just wait for a breakout. Basically, it's a breakout strategy. So you just wait for a breakout. When a breakout happens, wait for a retest. Wait for a retest and then a continuation pattern in the direction of the breakout. So in this case, we can see that we had a false breakout here because this is where the range happened, right? I already mapped out the consolidation zone as we can see. So we had a range here and then we had a breakout, just this candle. There was a breakout here, but it was a false breakout because shortly afterwards, the price began to enter back into the consolidation zone. So that is the reason why it's important to wait for a retest and then a bullish continuation pattern if it was a bullish breakout before you enter a buy trade. If it was a sell breakout, you wait for a sell continuation pattern after a retest before you enter a sell trade. So how the strategy works is when you have identified the inside bar, just wait for a breakout, wait for a retest, and then wait for a continuation pattern in the direction of the breakout. Then when you find that, you can then enter your trade in the direction of the breakout. And then talking about risk management, always set your stop loss just outside the inside bars high. So if it was a bullish breakout, had it been this bullish move was valid, if the breakout was not false, we would have considered setting stop loss just below the, the inside bars high, just below, just below the inside bars high, or below the low if you want a wider stop loss, depending on your entry and depending on your risk appetite, right? So this will help protect your capital in case the breakout fails, as in the case of this breakout that failed. Although you should ideally wait for a retest and a continuation before you even enter the trade, right? Okay, because it's all about preserving your trading accounts while maximizing your opportunities. So we have been able to look at a valid example of the inside bar breakout. Okay, remember that a consistent practice and backtesting will make you more confident in using this strategy, right? So basically, that is it. It's an easy strategy to use. It's very easy, and whether you are a scalper or a day trader or a swing trader, you can use this strategy. Okay. The only thing is that if you are a scalper, then this strategy might not exactly be the best for you, because a scalper will definitely be using smaller time frames, and you can find a lot of false signals on the smaller time frames. Okay. But if you are scalping on the 1 hour time frame, although the 1 hour time frame, I might not exactly consider that scalping, because your trade might last for hours. So I think that should be intraday. So, but that is it. That is it. You can use this strategy to complement your already existing trading strategy, right? So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more trading insights and strategies. Until next time, keep your charts clean and your trades profitable. Thanks for watching and happy trading.